Hello everyone. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another tutorial. These are the wigs as I'm showing you guys that I've made before using old raggedy synthetic wig. The very last one, the blonde one and the black one are the same. They are the Risa, Ultra Risa, Swiss X Risa. So I'm calling on all synthetic wig lovers, crochet wigs lovers, big hair lovers. Come on here, come and see what I'm about to do with this wig. I call it a wig facelift. So if you have a wig that is old, but you know the cap construction is good, this wig here, boy, guys, I have, as you can see, like that last picture there, she was once straight, very long, about 18-20 inch long. She had 4x4 lace silk top on it. That is the brand thing you can see. So I've cut her because I wore her a couple of weeks. Then she started tangling. Then I cut her up. Then after that, I wasn't feeling it. I wore it a bit. Then I cut it. Then I coiled it. So she's been cut. She's been coiled. I don't know what else I can do with this wig, but the construction is awesome. The hair I'm going to use to crochet on this is the X-pression brand hair, the X-pression collection. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this, but it's like, it look like dread, like I'm showing you guys now. So really, but it can be used as it is, or you can split it and make it look, what I'm about to do. So the color I'm using is color 1. So what I did is I take them out individually to cut them, because if you cut it as it is from the pack, they are not equal. So I take it individually, cut it, and literally straight it. So I was getting 10 strands of hair out of 1/2 that I've cutted. So the smaller you can straight it or cut it, separate it, the better, because this hair does go boom, huge. I'm doing this. I've been working on this on the background here and there, on and off. I know this is not gonna make it to my eBay store, because I know somebody who have their name written all over this wig. Anywho, let me show you what I'm going to do, or how I end up making this whole madness of my actually work. So I parted this wig did not have a lot of lace. So if your wig have good construction, well, to actually do this, you need a wig that have some sort of lace. Good construction and some sort of lace, whether it's in the middle or on the side. As long as you have a little bit of lace, you're good to go. Although I did went in, as you can see, part into the actual weft to give me a longer, comb rows, because I need those comb rows right now. I need it. God, I do. Without those comb rows, there will be nothing to crochet on. So I part the hair where more or less I want the part to fall, and just basically comb rows the front where the time consuming part of it. So I just comb row them as small as I could get away with, because like I said, the front is the look of the hair. If I can get the front right, everything else should be just good. So I separate out the baby hairs, because you still gonna need it to camouflage everything else once it's all done, just like you're about to see me doing. So I just carry on crocheting it, comb rowing it tiny by tiny, little by little. I did not braid it all the way to the end, because they all gonna get comb rows. You gonna see in a minute. Keep on watching. You must watch this video if you are a good DIYer and you don't like seeing things go to waste, especially cap construction that is absolute bomb. You want to reuse. This is the video for you, because I tell you guys, I have even surprised myself. Like, how do I even come up with things like this? This wig, I said, if a wig can cost somebody, this wig would have cost me by now. Like, how much suffer can I put a wig through? How much suffering can a wig go through? I have cut it that wasn't enough. I called her, that wasn't enough. Now I'm putting her through this. So as you've seen those little mini pictures that I added before, I don't longer owe those wigs. I wash them, make it, and sell it. So when you have a good wig that have a good construction, maybe a bad wig, this very wig is very shiny. Even on the camera, you can see how shiny it is. You can make it, give it away. You can make it and sell it. So I'm making my money worth, like over and over and over again. This is over 1-year-old wig that I've worn to the max. So now, once I finish constructing it, I can choose to sell it. I can choose to keep it and carry on wearing it until there is literally no life left on that cap. So, moving on, I parted more into the actual weft to help me have longer cornrows. So you see what I've parted on the other side. So now I'm going to start on the other side, just cornrowing the hair back halfway through and just carrying on cornrowing. Just carry on cornrowing. Do not stop. Whatever you do, cornrows. One thing I must say though, doing this, or if anybody watching this and would like to give this a try, this is one of the easiest. Your cornrows did not need to be neat. You do not need to be an expert in braiding. You got this, girl. You've got this. So as you can see, I have finished my most important part of this wig construction, which is the front. So I've cornrowed all the front. Hands up if you rock this wig the way it is. Well, before I cut it, I mean. So I went ahead and cut a bit of the hair off the back because I thought I don't need all the hair anymore now. And I don't need it to be, the more hair there is on the wig, the more bulky it's going to be, this cornrow. So I've had to add a little bit of expression braiding hair to braid the actual hair because this hair was so slippery. It's shiny as you've seen. That shine is no joke. It's really slippery. I struggle cornrowing it. So I add the very smallest amount of expression braiding hair just to help me have a little bit of grip. So I went ahead and sew everything down, tack it down. Anywhere you see that you cornrowed, maybe it wasn't that tight at first, just sew it a little bit more so that everything is firm because you are going to need this cornrow to stay down. Down, down, down. Once I finish doing all the sewing, all the weaving, all the cornrowing, what have you, I move on to the nitty-gritty. Excuse me. You would have seen me doing crochet video over and over. So I'm just going to do literally a couple of crochet. We're going to speed this up, baby. We're speeding it right up. So I put in the needle, get it through, get the hair in, pull it back out, close the latch, Bobby's your uncle. I did not even need to lock or knot or tie this because the type of hair, this extension goes nowhere. I've used this the way it is, like in that dread state look. I've also used it, opening it the way I'm doing in the past on my own hair. What stopped me from carrying on using it because this hair is as light as feather. Anyone who ever used this very particular extension can testify for this. What stopped me using it, like being one of my favorite style, is, you see, the way I like it is that front need to be as small as it is on me in real time, in my own hair. I can't have that tiny little cornrows on my fragile edges. No, ma'am. That is not happening. So, now that I can create it on a wig, boom, boom, chakalaka. I think I'm completely off my head. I'm so excited of my creations, guys. I don't know about you guys. Have you ever made something, at the end of it, you're just so proud of what you've done? So all that I've done there, that is one half of that extension. Moving on, I wasn't gonna let this hair keep me in a spare room working away all night. No, ma'am, no chance. So I took it downstairs. I wasn't gonna miss out on my favorite Coronation Street. No way, no. So I carry it on downstairs, watching TV, cup of tea, you know, what have you. I get it done in the end. So moving on now, it's all completed. Few days after, here is the look. Here is how she is looking. Isn't she gorgeous? Now, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I really do not know what you're waiting for. Let me just quickly remind you guys, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel, please. Also, you might have to turn that notification bell that is there on the screen. Turn it on so you don't miss another video of mine. When I release a new video, you will be notified. And you can go right in and view it. I'm gonna leave you guys here and enjoy the rest of the video. You know, this is the fun part where I get to style it and have fun with it. I'm gonna leave you guys. See you later. Ciao, ciao.